Okay, everybody, we are now gonna do the lid for this box. When we do the lid for the boxes, you're gonna see that there is a slight difference, and you can see here in step 3 where we don't do the fold going all the way to the center. We have to be off the center only on one side by 1/8 of an inch. But before we get here, we need to do the folds of the traditional box, steps 1 and 2, and that would be right here. Steps 1 and 2, just 1 and 2. Now the lid, it does have a little bit of a difference of a fold, so that way it can fit just in there with a little bit of space, clearance, just so that they can fit in there. So how do we do that? Alright, so before we get to step 3 on doing the square box with a lid, we need to do steps 1 and 2. And again, 1 and 2. We start off with the color face up, okay, color face up, and we do a precise fold right here, gotta be careful, do it exact, open up, then the other fold. Open that up, then we turn it over. We gotta turn it over. That's what this symbol is for right over here. When you see the arrow that goes like this, we have to turn it over. And we are gonna do the corners folding in. Alrighty. Now we're done with steps 1 and 2 from the traditional. Stop at step 2. Do not keep going. Do not do this fold. It's very different. When we come back to our square box with lid, look at step 3. Step 3, it wants us to do just on one side, a fold, but you're not going to meet this edge with the center. You're going to go from the center and go down about 1/8 of an inch. That 1/8 of an inch is what gives the space for the lid to be able to fit real snug on top of the box. That's why it is important. Not too much. If you do too much, then it's too much of a give. So right here, this is about 1/8 of an inch. If you don't know what 1/8 of an inch is, you need to look at it in a ruler, okay? And in a ruler, such as this, you can see right here with this ruler that 1/8 of an inch is like that first little smidgen over, that first little mark. So we have 1/8, quarter, half. Alrighty, now it wants us to unfold it. We're going to unfold it. Then it wants us to do these side folds. Now, please pay attention to what the side folds are, what they're asking us to do. You're going to notice that your little triangle comes out a little bit, but these side folds, this little point here needs to meet right on the side here, not the tip, but right on the side. Look very closely. You'll see what I'm saying. So once again, we're going to fold right, not to the middle, but right around there. Okay. See that difference? There's a difference. Let me move the paper so you guys can see. There's a difference. It folds right there. Not the tip, but right there. So we need to do the same on the other side.